Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme.
Hi guys, I am back with another hair review, hair tutorial video, and today's video is in collaboration with Nadula Hair. They sent me their new 7x5 no slip wig, and what makes this wig a little different is not only does it come with a drawstring elastic band built into the back of it, it also has this adjustable elastic strap that is built in to the back of the wig, well, the closure area of the wig, so that it lays a lot flatter on the head. And then it also has these built-in silicone strips for a move-proof hold, and this upgraded cap is a max stretchy dome cap, meaning this wig is completely glueless, y'all. Like completely glueless. This one comes pre-colored with these beautiful balayage highlights, and it also comes pre-styled in a really pretty body curl. I'm going ahead and I'm brushing through those curls right out of the box so that you guys can see. It does come with a really pretty curl, but I am going to be showing you guys two different styles. The first one is going to be straight out of the box, how you could style this wig with minimal to no styling at all. First thing first, I'm just going in with my scissors and I'm cutting a little bit of layers to the front of that hair just to frame my face a little bit better. Right here is when I noticed just how pretty these curls were and just how pretty this hair was, y'all. So all I really did was I took my flat irons and I recurled the top of that hair where we added those layers. Again, just so that the curls can really frame my face and lay the way I wanted them to lay. And then once that was done, I did go in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and I just got the top of that hair nice and flat. And once that was done, guys, this is pretty much the final look for the first look. If you want to get this wig and wear it right out of the box, that is just how easy it is to restyle it and get it together. Literally only took me about 10 minutes. I did not have to glue this wig down. The curls come already done for you, and the color of this hair is literally just perfect. I feel like this is like the color of the season, y'all. But y'all know me, y'all know I'm a side part girly, so I'm going ahead and I'm switching this wig to a side part. Just gently moving that wig over to the side, shifting it a little bit, and then reparting my hair on the left side. I'm going in with my wax stick once again and pressing that hair down in place just the way I want it to be on the side. And once that's done, guys, I am going to go in with my tweezers and I'm going to tweeze a little bit of the hair out from the front. Nadula usually does a good job with the pre-plucked hairlines, but I think when it comes to closure wigs and not frontal wigs, we just need a little bit more plucking, you know, a little bit more shaping. So that's what I ended up doing. I went in and I plucked it to my desired look. And I went ahead and I recurled that front piece of the hair to, again, just frame my face and lay the way we want it to lay. And y'all, I am such a perfectionist, so I did go in and do a little bit more plucking, and I added a little bit of my foundation powder to the front of that wig. Again, guys, this wig is not glued down. It is completely glueless. And one thing I really love is that elastic strap in the inside. I feel like it has this wig laying super flat on my head, and I just know it's not going nowhere. It's windy outside now, y'all. It's winter time, and you do not want your wig blowing off your head or flying away. So these extra cap details that they added, this upgraded cap and these extra features just make it really, really easy for us this fall and winter to have a quick slay, but you don't have to take a long time to achieve the look that you want. So guys, this is the finished look, the finished look, like the final look. That side part is going to get me every single time. I just think this is really, really a pretty look, guys. I will leave a discount code down below in the description box in case you want to get this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.